Are you looking to create money by making AI animation videos? Similar to what these channels are doing, as we have a look, this channel has over 30 million views on one video, and that is only generated by AI. Well, how you're going to do that and make money by these videos is what we're going to talk about in this tutorial. So simply head over to ChatGPT so we can begin. So the very first thing we need is a script for our storyline. So we're going to generate a story by using ChatGPT. And this is the prompt I'm going to write. You can write anything you would like for your story. And once you get your story, simply copy that out. And then we have to head over to 11 Labs where we are going to generate our voiceovers. So simply paste over your story in the text portion. And you can select any voice you would like. You can try them out. And once you're ready, simply click on the generate button. Once your voiceover is ready, you can simply download that and save on your computer. And once we have generated our voiceover, we need to create an animated avatar. So for that, we're simply gonna head over to Google and search for Make YouTube Animations for Free by Adobe Express. And we're gonna open this first link we have here. And then we have to click on the Create Now button. And in here, you can select any avatar you would like. There are a lot of options to choose from. You can go with any character you would like whatsoever. So we're gonna look for a good character which will be nice to have. So we're going to go with this character, and for the background we have to simply select a simple green background. So we're gonna choose a custom color and then choose the green background we would like. And instead of the record button, we're going to upload our own audio files. And here where you see the browse option, we're going to simply select our voiceover which we have generated. This might take a while to finish up. So once it has been completed, you can download it. By simply tapping on this download button, you can save that up. And now the next step is for us to create a background. And for that, we're going to use Leonardo AI. So we can generate our nice looking background image. And here simply click on the AI image generation button. And then we have to describe what we are looking for. We're going to use the Dreamshaper V7 model for this. And make sure to change the aspect ratio to 16:9 here. Then click on the generate button. You can also try out the Absolute Reality V1.6 model. As you can see, we've gotten quite nice images which we can use. We're simply going to upscale that. If we tap on this button, we can do the HD crisp upscale, which is the best in my opinion. You can look around which one seems to be better in your case and go with that. So once we have an upscaled image, we can simply view that by tapping here. And now we can download our image. And the next thing we have to do, we have to animate that image for our background. And we're going to use Layer Pix for that. Simply upload the image we have just downloaded, and it will take care of the rest and animate the image for us. And once we have the image ready, you can simply save it by clicking on this export button. And you can choose the quality to be original, which is the best, and then click on the save button. And the next step is getting a background audio. So for your project, you can use Mixkit for free assets for your next video project, as they say. So this website offers you very good options for free music which you can use on YouTube and have no issues whatsoever. You can also use the YouTube audio library, which has a lot of music, but that is very basic in my opinion. And if you're looking for something much more professional and premium, do have a look at Epidemic Sound. It is a paid version. It is a paid alternative, but it is quite unique and gives you the best quality of audio. And the final part is to put all of them together. We're going to use Adobe After Effects for editing our video and making it a whole. So we're going to drag in our footage first of all, which is our background layer. And then we're going to drop in our character with a green screen. And in order to remove the green screen, there is a effect called Key Light. If you search for it, simply drag it on top of our layer. And by tapping on this small icon here, we can click on the green color, and then we don't have a background anymore on the character. You can change the position of the character and animate that as well. So we're simply gonna click on the P for position, and we're gonna give it a starting position here. Also make sure to increase the composition time to match our length of the voiceover. You can duplicate the background and put it as many times as needed. And this way we have a full complete animation. On each iteration, you can change the position of the character, so you can see a moving effect. It's like the character is sliding sideways, and then finally she returns to the original position. Simply select all the keyframes and right click on them, keyframe assistant, and then select easy ease. This way you see a nice animation here. And now we have to render this video by simply pressing the Ctrl+M button on your keyboard. It will open the render queue, and here you have to select the format. I'm gonna keep the high quality QuickTime, and then format options. For the video codec, you can choose DNX HD, which is the best. Click OK and then again OK. Then you have to select a location where you would like to save the file. And last but not least, here is our final output.
A stunning young woman with flowing golden hair that shimmers in the sunlight. She's dressed in an elegant yet practical.
That was it for today's tutorial. I really hope you took some value from this. Consider leaving a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.